Welcome to GATE BT Express series part 7. So we have 4 questions. So the flow is read the question, 2 write the formula, 3 plug in the data in the formula, 4 solve and report the answer in the unit specified. Start with question 1. Consider a uni-substrate enzyme that follows Michaelis-Menten kinetics. When the enzyme catalyzed reaction were carried out in the presence of 10 nanomolar concentration of inhibitor, there was no change in maximal velocity. However, the slope of Lineweaver-Burk plot increased threefold. The dissociation constant for enzyme inhibitor complex has to be reported in nanomolar. Okay, there is no change in maximal velocity, so it's a inhibition which involves no change in maximal velocity, so it's competitive inhibition. And they have stated that the slope of Lineweaver-Burk plot increased threefold. So let's start with Michaelis-Menten equation. Rate V is equal to V max times S divided by Km plus S. Reciprocate both sides. Therefore 1 by V is equal to Km plus S divided by V max times S. So 1 by V is equal to Km by V max into 1 by S plus 1 by V max. So the plot, it is a linear plot which has a equation say of the line y is equal to mx plus c, where 1 by v is the y and 1 by s is the x. Therefore the slope of this plot m is equal to km over v max. Therefore slope say m in the presence of inhibitor, it is increased threefold, which is equal to 3 times the slope in the absence of inhibitor. Therefore Km over V max in the presence of inhibitor is equal to 3 times Km over V max. V max doesn't alter. There is no change in maximal velocity. Therefore Km varies. Therefore Km in the presence of inhibitor is equal to 3 times Km. And we have found the type of inhibition, that is, it's a competitive inhibitor. So the formula is Km in the presence of inhibitor is equal to Km into 1 plus concentration of inhibitor over Ki, the dissociation constant of enzyme inhibitor complex. But Km in the presence of inhibitor is equal to 3 times Km. So 3 times Km is equal to Km times 1 plus inhibitor concentration is 10 nanomolar. So 10 nanomolar over Ki, which we need to find in nanomolar. So let's keep Ki as such. Therefore Km cancels out. 3 is equal to 1 plus 10 nanomolar over Ki. So minus 10 nanomolar over Ki is equal to negative 2. For Ki is equal to 10 over 2, which is 5 nanomolar. So the dissociation constant for enzyme inhibitor complex is 5 nanomolar. Question 2. A 5-liter chemostat is fed fresh medium at 0.2 liter per minute, having a substrate concentration of 25 gram per liter. At steady state, the outgoing stream has a substrate concentration of 2.5 gram per liter. The rate of consumption in gram per liter per minute of substrate in reactor is dash. So let's start by writing the substrate balance. Substrate in minus substrate out plus substrate generated minus substrate consumed is equal to substrate accumulated. Assumption steady state. So at steady state there is no accumulation of substrate. Therefore substrate in is equal to F times S0 minus substrate out is equal to F times Fs, where S0 is the substrate concentration in the feed stream and S is the effluent substrate concentration, plus 0 because substrate cannot be generated, minus rate of consumption of substrate, let it be R, times a volume, that is the working volume of the reactor, is equal to accumulation, that is substrate accumulated. At steady state there is no accumulation of substrate, which is equal to 0. That is, say d by dt of V into S is equal to 0. So F times S0 minus S is equal to rate of consumption of substrate times the working volume of the chemostat. So feed flow rate is 0.2 liter per minute times 25 gram per liter minus 2.5 gram per liter is equal to rate of substrate consumption times 5 liters. So 0.2 liter per minute times 22.5 gram per liter is equal to 5 liter times rate of consumption of substrate. So 0.2 into 22.5 gram per liter is equal to 4.5 gram per minute is equal to 5 liter times the rate of consumption of substrate. Therefore 4.5 gram per minute divided by 5 liter is equal to rate of consumption of substrate. Therefore the rate of consumption of substrate is equal to 4.5 by 5, which is 0.9 gram per liter per minute. So the rate of consumption of substrate in reactor is 0.9 gram per liter per minute. Question 3. A bacterium has a genome of size 6 million base pair. If the average rate of DNA synthesis is 1000 base pair per second, the time taken in minutes for replication of genome will be. So we need to find the total time. The total size that has to be replicated is 6 million base pair. So the total size of the genome of bacteria is 6 1 million 10 power 6 base pair, and the rate equal to 1000 base pair per second. So the time is equal to total size divided by the rate. So total size is 6 into 10 power 6 base pair divided by 1000 base pair per second, which is equal to 6 into 10 power 6 divided by 10 power 3 seconds. So the time is equal to 6 into 10 power 3 seconds. But the time has to be reported in minutes. So the time in minutes, so 1 minute has 60 seconds. So 6000 divided by 60 minutes. So the time in minutes is equal to 100 minutes. So the time taken for replication of the entire genome of length 6 million base pair is 100 minutes. So the last question, the angle in degree between the vectors x given by I minus j plus 2k and y is equal to 2y minus j minus 1.5k is. So assuming I, j, k are the unit vector in the direction say along x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, three mutually perpendicular axes. So the angle between these vectors x and y is nothing but x dot y, which is equal to modulo x vector times modulo y vector times cos theta, where theta is the angle between the two vectors. So let's write x is equal to 1i minus 1j plus 2k dot product 2i minus 1j minus 1.5k is equal to modulo x times modulo y times cos theta. So 1i dot 2i is equal to 2 minus of minus plus 1 minus 2 into 3 by 2 is 3 is equal to modulo x times modulo y times cos theta. 2 plus 1 3 minus 3 is equal to modulo x modulo y cos theta. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Say 0 is equal to modulo x times modulo y cos theta. Let's take these magnitudes of these two vectors x and y to the denominator. Therefore 0 is equal to cos theta. 0 is nothing but cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Cos 90 is equal to cos theta. Therefore the angle between the two vectors is equal to 90, which is nothing but pi by 2. So the two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other. So the angle in degrees between the vectors is, say in degrees, so it's 90 degree. Okay, we end the session by writing down the formula. For first question, we followed a Michael-Menten kinetics. V is equal to V max times S over Km plus S, and we got the value of slope, which is equal to Km over V max. And for competitive inhibition, Km in the presence of competitive inhibitor is equal to Km times 1 plus concentration of the competitive inhibitor over the dissociation constant for the enzyme inhibitor complex. For second question, we wrote the cell balance, that is, since substrate rate of consumption of substrate has to be calculated, we wrote the substrate balance, say Fs0 minus Fes plus no generation of substrate minus rate of consumption of substrate times the working volume is equal to, at steady state there is no accumulation of substrate. And 3, the time of replication is equal to the total length that has to be replicated over the speed of replication. 4, angle between two vectors, say A and B vector, is given by A dot B is equal to modulo A times modulo B times cos theta, where theta is the angle between the two vectors. Thank you.